Imagine you are working on a cool project in React using React 3 Fiber for the 3D features. You stumble upon a problem where certain components like CameraControls from Drori don't support the declarative approach and need refs and imperative code. The challenge here lies in initializing a CameraControls on startup, but facing difficulties due to the timing issue with refs. A common solution attempted is using a useEffect with a set timeout hack, but that's not the ideal way to go about it. Now, let's dive into the solution for this problem. One approach is to use useState to store the ref and set the ref using the setState function as a callback function ref. This will allow you to trigger the desired action once the ref is available. By combining this approach with useEffect, you can ensure that your reset function gets executed when the ref is ready, making the initialization process smoother and more reliable. Further optimizing this solution, if you only need to invoke setLookAt once and don't require storing the ref, you can directly call resetCamera from the ref prop of CameraControls. This simplifies the code and streamlines the process, ensuring that the desired functionality is achieved without unnecessary complexity. In summary, by utilizing useState with callback function refs and optimizing the usage of refs within the components, you can efficiently handle the initialization of CameraControls and other components that require imperative code. This approach ensures a more structured and reliable way of working with refs in React 3 Fiber, improving the overall development experience. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.